MusicSchoolPrep.com. Lesson 10. How to count. Since the upper number of a time signature tells us how many beats we have per measure, we know we will be counting up to that number every measure. So, for this example, we would count up to 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Notice that when counted and the font for beat 1 is emphasized. We need to understand that beat 1 will always be the most important beat in a measure. There are beats that get more emphasis than other beats, but never as much as beat 1. These beats' emphasis are defined by their groupings. Here, we will go over how to count the most common times and show you where emphasis goes in these time signatures. Next is 4/4 timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4/4 timing, as you can see here, beat 3 gets a little extra emphasis. Now 6/8 timing. 6/8 timing is counted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, beat 1 gets the most emphasis, but beat 4 gets a little more emphasis on this time signature too, because of the way the notes are grouped. 2/1 timing is very easy. 1, 2, 1, 2. And lastly, 6/16 is counted just like 6/8. Since the grouping is the same, it will be counted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting can be easy when we only have to count in whole number counting, like 1, 2, 1, 2. That's how we would count this one. But we will often have notes with smaller values than this. When we have smaller note values than what the lower number of the time signature dictates, we have to be able to effectively divide time. Let's look at an example and use this opportunity for a chance at reviewing what we have learned. Here, we have a composition in 4/4 timing, so there should be 4 quarter notes per measure. And here, we have 8th and 16th notes, both of which are going to require a division of 1 beat. We can count 8th notes by adding the word "and" after the 2, but remember, these 2 8th notes take the same time as 1 quarter note. So 2 "and" will be said in the same amount of time it took us to say 1. 16th notes have 4 notes in the place of 1 quarter note and need another step in the vocalization of counting. We do this by saying 3 E and a. Let me count and play this for you twice over. 1, 2, 4, 2 and 3 and a 4. 1, 2, 4. 2 and 3 and a 4. As you can see, we utilized a tie across measures. In different timing schemes, ties can be used this way to add very interesting syncopation. It is important to remember how to count and not associate 8th notes with an "and" or 16th notes with the "e and a", because these rules do not apply to individual note values. Let me show you what I mean. In the time signature 2/2, we are to use 2 half notes per measure. But if we used quarter notes, we would have to have some way to divide a beat. So a quarter note will be counted by "and" in this example. The first measure will be counted as 1, 2, because half notes get 1 beat. So in the second measure, some quarter notes will be counted on "and".